My name is Stephen Adamson and I'm the Admissions Director for IE Business School's International Executive MBA programme. The International Executive MBA programme is a programme which is highly flexible and designed at successful professionals who need to have some further business education in order to improve their positions in their existing companies or to further their careers in general. The programme has two formats, both online and presential, therefore offering a great deal of flexibility and allowing anyone to study from anywhere in the world and even to be able to complete with their very exhausting work commitments. The typical profile for a student on this programme is someone with about 35 years of age and about 12 to 13 years of work experience, although we do accept people who are younger than that and with less experience, although the minimum is about 7 years in total. The programme is truly international, with students from all around the world. We have a great number of students from every part of the world, including about 10% of the students coming from the Asia Pacific area, about 10% from North America, about the same again from Latin America, and about 15% from the ex-CIS countries, with the remainder coming from the European Union and from Spain. We consider candidates from all types of companies, not just huge multinationals, but also from small personal ventures, family companies, and small and medium-sized businesses. If you have any further questions about either the profile of students on this programme or about the admissions process, I'd be happy to answer them for you. You can contact us by email or by phone.